Hi, everyone. Welcome to the first demonstration of the asset browser. This is I will give a short introduction and then I give a short demonstration. Basically, what we're trying to do with these meetings is to get more feedback from the community about how the project is going. Um, and during these meetings, it's better not to have any discussions or feedback. The best way how to do that is to give feedback when in our chat room or in on DevTalk. There will be meeting notes about what we've done so far. During the demonstration, we only show stuff that already landed in master. So and we are trying to do this meeting regularly, like once every 2 weeks. I hope everything is clear, and let's start then. The first this week or the last 2 weeks, we've worked on several items. Those and four of those items already landed in master. The first item is that we removed technically the file browser and the asset browser were shared the same code, and we split. We made that nicer, so the menus and context menus are currently split, and you don't see stuff from the file browser anymore in the asset browser. That's basically some popover, some panels have been moved or limited. The menu in the header and the context menus. Those are now asset browser specific. Another item, the second item that landed in master, that is that asset template, which is used by the post library. It used to that if you selected the same asset library and have multiple the asset templates in on your screen, that they were that they showed the data in sync. Currently, this limitation has been removed, so every template can now have its own data. So the third item. Now we're going to do something. What is visible, and that is basically we've been working on the material workflow, and for the material workflow, we added some tooltips that are visible during dragging. And if you now drag an item and you land it on an object, you will see exactly what is going to happen. Like now you see that from the three-colored cube, the second material slot will be replaced, and the current material in that material slot is green. And sorry for this system. It doesn't have a good driver, so it takes a while, but eventually it works. And the fourth item that's already demonstrated, and that is basically that it will update the material slot, which is the active one. So if I select blue, I select it, drop it, then the blue will become the fabric. We're looking into options where we can select the material slot beneath the cursor, but that still needs take some time to do. This is all for this demonstration. please give us feedback on the channel or on the DevTalk topic.
Applause, applause.